Welcome to Lesson Plan Kitchen. I'm Grant, and today we're making my family's cheddar muffin recipe. Preheat your oven to 375 Fahrenheit or 190 degrees Celsius, and we can start making it vegan. Begin with 1 3/4 cup all-purpose flour, 1/4 cup of raw sugar. Toss in a cup of plant-based cheddar shreds, followed by 2½ teaspoons of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of salt, and then mix it all together. For our egg substitute, we're using a tablespoon of flaxseed meal with 3 tablespoons of water. Our milk substitution is 3/4 cup of unsweetened soy milk, add a 1/3 cup of vegetable oil, and then a 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder. Stir until well combined, and then you're ready to divide it into 12 portions in a lined muffin tin. To make these muffins even healthier and still vegan, we have a few more substitutions. Cut back the all-purpose flour to 70 grams, and then substitute in 70 grams wheat flour and 70 grams Vital wheat gluten flour. Instead of raw sugar, use stevia. However, we're going to keep the baking powder, the salt, and the garlic powder all the same measurements. Once more, add the cup of plant-based cheddar shreds and mix it until combined. No changes have been made to the egg substitute or the milk substitute. However, instead of oil, we're going to cut down the fat and instead substitute in a 1/3 cup of unsweetened almond yogurt. You'll notice that this dough mixture is a little bit thicker, but it still divides well into 12 even muffins. They're just a little bit heartier. You're going to then bake them for 25 to 30 minutes in the oven until they've got a nice golden brown top. The standard cheddar muffins clock in at around 166 calories with about 3 grams of protein and a decent amount of fat and sugar, whereas the healthier version you'll find are only about 100 calories with nearly 7 grams of protein, a lot less fat, and sugar. Regardless of whether you make the vegan version or the healthy vegan version, they have the same cheesy, garlicky taste and crumb-filled texture. These are the ingredients for the vegan version of the cheddar muffins. And these are the ingredients for the healthy version of the cheddar muffins. Regardless, hit the store and get to baking. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, share it with friends and family who would be interested. Give it a like, consider subscribing. More recipes on lessonplankitchen.com and here on YouTube.